Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on in a long time, but yeah, sorry about that. I decided to come back with a hair video showcasing this frontal from VG Collection Swiss lace. This lace is from my sister's hairline, OhhVeraa. I'll post the link up here so you can check out her channel with the actual lace in it, her showcasing the lace herself, and the link for the lace will be down below. This is an 18-inch frontal and it's Swiss lace. It's really nice lace, so check that out in the link down below. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, so my good sis Vera is gonna be the one installing this unit for me, and yeah, so we start off by pushing the lace back, and she kind of maps out where she wants to stick down the lace, and then she follows up by using a bit of foundation to mark up my forehead so that she has a more accurate lay down. And I decided to go with the spray adhesive instead of the Ghost Bond glue or got to be, just because I wasn't going to keep this unit on for a long time. So yeah. What she does is she does the lace in sections. So she glues down the lace in 3 sections, and she starts with the top of my head. She sprays down 3 layers, 1 layer at a time, and then she blow dries it on a warm setting, allows it to cool down, and then sprays down another layer. I will put the name of the spray that she used in the description box below. What she does now is she sticks down the top part of the lace onto my forehead and then blow dries it just to dry down the glue a little bit before moving down to the other sections. Also, one thing to note is that the longer you want your lace to last, the more layers you should spray on. So you spray 1 layer on at a time and then you blow dry it before spraying another layer on. The layer that you blow dry shouldn't be completely dry, but should be very sticky before you apply another layer. What you'll notice is that she's using a comb most of the time to stick the lace into the glue and press the lace into the glue. You don't want to use your fingers because sometimes your fingers have oils and sweat which can cause the lace to lift from the glue. So what you want to do is use a plastic comb, like just a comb, and use that to press the lace into the glue. So as you can see, she's pressing the lace into the glue and brushing the hair as she goes along. what she's doing now is she's creating baby hairs by pulling some of the hair from the lace and using a razor to shorten the hair, not making the strands of hair too short, but a reasonable length so that she can swoop it into the hair. So what she's doing right now is she's using some mousse to lay down the hair and to make sure the hair lays flat. This is a very important part of the process. It makes the hair lay down sleek, especially when you apply the hot comb on afterwards. And what I would also personally say, even when I do my own hair, is that I leave a lot of baby hairs at the sides, like the sideburns of the lace unit. You want to leave more hair there. You don't want to like pluck too much hair from there or cut the hair there too short. The sideburns are a part of the lace unit that will shed the quickest and that will go bald first. So you want to make sure you don't remove too much hair from the sideburns when you're doing your hair. Now, I know a lot of hairstylists probably say this on YouTube, but try to use a hairstyling foam, a mousse that does not have a lot of oil in it. Try and use one without any oil because it may cause the lace to lift. I've experienced this where I've laid my hair down and the glue has dried and I've put on mousse and it's like lifted the lace. So try to use one without any oil in it. So what she did now was she wrapped my hair with a silk scarf or a silk band. This helps the hair lay really, really nicely, and it just helps the lace to melt into the scalp. And here is the final result. I will be posting a second video showing how we got the style of the hair and how she did everything else leading up to this final look, and how she finished off the baby hairs and stuff like that. I couldn't add it in this video because it would have made the video about 20 minutes long, so I had to separate it into a second video. So check out the next video when it comes out. This is an 18-inch frontal and it's Swiss lace, HD lace. That's why like it melts so well into my skin. And even though I'm dark skinned, you can see that like it's melted in really, really well. How I got it to, you have to like tint the lace. So what I did was I tinted it with some color in the beginning, and then afterwards I went over it with a darker pigment to make it match my skin tone. So as you can see, it matches really, really nicely and you literally can't see where the lace starts. So it's really good. And yeah, and as you can see, the lace is like really full and stuff. I did bleach the knots, which is why, you know, it looks like, I think it looks like scalp, but you know, I did bleach the knots. How I bleached the knots, in case you're wondering, will also be up here. If you want to watch how I bleached the knots, the video will also be up here. And yeah, you can see how I did that. If you don't bleach the knots of this black properly, you can kind of see the black dots, but the lace doesn't have that many like thick black knots anyway, so it's fine. It's got a good density, so you can pluck it to your liking. And yeah, it's really, really nice lace, so check that out in the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and check the link down below for OhhVeeraa's lace from VG Collection. So yeah, until next time.